immediate majorly support place around 22,840, 800 at downside. If Nifty break this range, then we expect further selling pressure towards 22,700 and 22,670 at downside. Upside 23,000 is the first immediate resistance. Last few trading sessions, we saw that Nifty not sustaining closing above this range. Bank Nifty also trading near the support zone that's come around 49,200. Below that, 49,000 and 48,740 next immediate support for Bank Nifty. Upside 49,600 and 740 is a major resistance for Bank Nifty. So today we closely watch after gap down if Nifty managed to sustain the first half an hour the immediate support zone and again bounce back towards near the resistance zone, then we expect further up move next week in above side upside. Stock specific Chambal fertilizer looks positive at current level. Indigo also given a good rally yesterday. We expect some positive side in Indigo. Negative side LTIM looks weak at current level. Some pressure in TCS also continue in few trading session. And Divis Lab looks positive. We already given a call in Divis Lab towards upside 6060 next immediate target and immediate support place around 5880 at downside. That's it for technical. Derivative I can carry.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are seeing, the same kind of data points are getting triggered in the market. Not much of a change is being witnessed from the current scenario. As you are seeing from last 2 to 3 weeks, continuously Nifty is trading in the same range, and we expect this trend to be continued. As we are seeing in today's session, also GIFT Nifty is likely to open around 80-90 points on the lower end, again coming near the same range which was there in yesterday trading session. So currently 22,800, 23,200 will act as the important range zone for the market. Once if any closing comes below this or above this range, then only we might expect some trend clearance. Till that point of time, we should wait for any new long position to be created. At this point of time, once this range gets broken out, then only new long or short position need to be created. While India VIX yesterday closed at 14.68 level, we will wait for the India VIX to go below 13. Once India VIX goes below 13 level, then buying can be witnessed in the market, and the trend can be clearer after that trading scenario. As per the stock specific, Chambal Fertilizer, BSC, and Ipca Lab looks positive. On the negative front, Laurus Lab, Nika, and PR Industry look negative. That's it from better front. Thank you.
Good morning. There's one news regarding NTPC Green Energy. NTPC Green Energy Limited, Bharat Light and Power Private Limited signed a MOU on Thursday to address the need for facing green energy objectives and the goals evolved toward a carbon neutral economy. The MOU is to jointly explore that offtake of green hydrogen and its derivative from NTPC Green. It's a positive for NTPC Green. Another news regarding Tesla. Tesla is preparing for its long anticipated entry into India in the coming months. According to the Bloomberg, the company plans to begin selling its car in three major cities like Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore by the end of third quarter of this year. Thank you.
Good morning. On the news front, Tata Steel has acquired over 191 crore equity shares of T Steel Holdings Pte Limited for $300 million. Tata Steel Holdings Pte Limited is a Singapore-based arm of homegrown steel giant Tata Steel. Post this acquisition also, Tata Steel Holdings Pte Limited will continue to be a wholly owned subsidiary of the company. One more news about Vedanta Limited. Vedanta demerger receives approval from shareholders and creditors. The demerger seeks to establish 5 independent, globally scaled companies specializing in aluminium, iron ore, copper, oil and gas, and power generation. This restructuring aims to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and enable Vedanta's management to focus on individual business segments. By optimizing asset utilization and capital allocation, the move is expected to enhance overall business performance and growth. Also, the company is seeking to partner with proven and qualified companies for construction and supply of 5,000 megawatt nuclear power in India for the group's captive use. This news is positive for the company. That's all from us. I would like the commodity team to take the call forward.
Yes, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, we are expecting gold prices to correct. One can initiate a sell around 86 300 with a stop loss of 86 600, and on downside again 85 900 700 is the level where one can book profits. See, all in all, we are witnessing a resistance at 86 300 to 400 range. So strictly maintain a stop loss of 86 600. In silver, one can initiate a sell around 97 400 with a stop loss of 98,000, and downside expecting prices to test 96 400 95 700. Wherein in metals, copper, we are expecting prices to correct. So selling around 872 is recommended with a stop loss of 876. On downside again, 867, 864 is the level where one can book profits. In zinc, we are expecting a pullback till 273, 74 levels. So buying around 271, 271.50, sorry, 270.50 with a stop loss of 269 is recommended. Crude oil prices are expected to open cap down. So for trading purpose, one can sell around 6,300 with a stop loss of 6,380. And again on downside, 62, 6,200, 70 is the level where one can book profits. And natural gas prices had corrected yesterday, so profit booking could be witnessed. So for a pullback, one can buy for the target of 365. Then again, we are expecting prices to witness selling pressure. So around 365, one can also initiate a sell with a stop loss of 375. On downside, expecting prices to test 350, 340 levels. From there, one can also initiate a buy. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.